Welcome to Vivosun, where you can bring green to your life. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the Vivosun 4x4 grow tent and show you its great features and high quality that make it the best grow tent on the market. Here's the tent in its parts. For starters, the canopy. The canopy will go over the frame once it's set up. Here are the hanging shafts. They're strong enough to support lights or anything else you might need to hang inside. Here are the vertical shafts, and then the base and roof. Here is the spill tray. The spill tray will catch any water or dirt that might fall and is easy to clean, very convenient. Here are the corner pieces for connecting the frame. And then a support strap for the carbon filter, which is kind of heavy. And lastly, the windows that you can use to peek through to see your plants. And here we have the instruction manual showing the components and steps to set it. Let's start setting it up. And here's the spill tray. This is attached on the outside posts. As you can see, we just wrap it around the post, the Velcro here. And when you need to take it out, unzip it, wash it out. Easy, put it back in. And there you have it, folks, the completed Vivosun grow tent. After the tent is all set up, we can use the provided windows to cover up the light openings. After they're on, we can easily peek inside to see the plants and inspect the lights, or leave it open. Always. This bottom vent can be used as an air intake or covered up with this window. You can also use this window to indicate whether your light is on or off by leaving it open. The tent comes with two windows, one side and the other side, for easy access to your plants. The windows also include these flaps on the inside, double lit, so that the light cannot escape. No light will escape through these double zipper flaps. To get the door out of your way while you put your plants in the tent, you can hang it up with a convenient Velcro tab. Vivosun grow tents were made by experts who know what the most annoying parts of tents are: zippers and the corners. The corners are reinforced so that they're extra strong, and our zippers are the best on the market. Inside the tent there are a lot of cool features, like this tool pouch. I'll put the carbon filter strap there, because we'll need it for later. Also, these are ventilation holes, but they are double lined for extra airtight seal. The entire tent's frame is made of steel. It's very heavy duty and very sturdy. Also, all the connecting joints are also made of steel, along with all the inside components. These buttons are very easy to attach and strong. They're not going to break. Other tents tend to use plastic components in their connections, which easily break. On top of the grow tent are the cross support beams. These are strong enough to hold either a heavy light setup or heavy filtration setup. The entirety of the inside of the tent is lined with diamond Mylar material. This is not only highly reflective, but also spreads the light evenly around the tent, which means there are no hot spots and no burned leaves. It's also very easy to clean. All you need to do is spray it off, or wash it off with a washcloth. Here is the complete Vivosun grow tent. It's easy to move. Just make sure there are no plants inside when you do try to move it. All it needs now is lights to hang and some ventilation to make sure it doesn't get too stinky. All of these things you can find on the Vivosun website. Vivosun. Bring green to your life.